Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will take a look at OKX Exchange. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. And now, let's just jump straight into our video. So first, we need to register by creating an account. If you don't have an OKX account, you can quickly create one with the link in the description box below. You can also use Web3 wallets like MetaMask to connect to OKX. Just click on Wallet here and click on Connect Wallet. You can choose all of these wallets to connect to OKX and use its NFT marketplace. To create an account, just click on the link that we gave you in the description box below, type down an email and set up a password. After you do all that, just click on sign up and create your account. On OKX, both USDT and coin margin contracts are supported as well as perpetual swap contracts. But in order to use the OKX full features, you need to pass the KYC verification. To do that, click on your profile and click on verification. Choose individual account and fill these blanks with the necessary information such as your name, your last name, your ID type, and your ID number. And then submit. And also choose country or territory of residence. Identity verifications let you use the whole exchange, and it also increases your 24-hour withdrawal limit. After creating an account and passing the KYC verification, now we're ready to use OKX Exchange. Let's start with Buy Crypto tab. So there are 3 different options for us to buy crypto with. The first one is buy with a card. Let's check it out. In order to buy crypto with your card, you need to pass the KYC verification. After that, type down how much you want to pay and how much crypto you want. So for example, let's say I want to buy $5,000 worth of Ethereum. When I type $5,000 down, it calculates and shows me how much that is equal to. So we can see that $5,000 is equal to approximately 30 Ethereums. And when you click on buy Ethereum, you will buy your Ethereums. There are also P2P trading and third-party payments. Also, in order to deposit assets from other exchanges, open up your wallet and click on deposit. Then choose the crypto you want to deposit. I will choose USDT for this one. Then choose the network that you want to use. I will use TRC20 for this one. And click on continue. And it gives you this wallet address. You have to copy this and paste it on the receiver address on the exchange you want to send assets from. And same applies to withdrawing your assets. Just click on withdraw. Select the crypto that you want to withdraw. It will ask you to link your phone and pass the KYC verification to withdraw your assets. But the system works the same. You just have to paste the copy address of the exchange that you want to send assets to and then continue, and OKX will make the transaction. But as I said, it asks you to link up your phone and pass the KYC verification in order to withdraw your assets. So let's continue with Discover tab. Let's have a look at markets. So as you can see, when you click on markets, you'll see the current prices, market caps, and 24-hour changes of different cryptocurrencies. You can set the category here. If you want to see GameFi tokens, when you click on it, we can only see GameFi tokens. If you want to see blockchain, as you can see when I click on it, we can see the blockchain projects. You get the idea. You can set the category of the cryptos that you want to see. Let's have a look at opportunities. Under opportunities, you can see the hot, surge, and new tokens. Hot are the most popular ones. Surge are the ones which has a hype, and new ones are the new listed ones. You can also change the stablecoin from here. And last one is leaderboard. You can see the most successful traders and their P&Ls. You can also see their risk levels. For example, this person has a high level risk, this person has a middle, and this person has a low level risk, but his P&L is lower. So you can use these leaderboard to check out all of these master traders as OKX stated here. You can also see the top influencers. When you click on it, you can see their follower count, when did they join OKX, and how many people they follow. We can also see their total return on investment, their monthly performance, and their risk levels. Now let's have a look at the trade tab. The first one is convert. You can convert between different cryptocurrencies. For example, I want to convert my 0.4 Bitcoin to USDT. You can see how much that equals to, and when you click on convert to USDT, it will make the transaction. You can also convert between stable coins if you click on this. As you can see, we can convert to different stable coins. And now let's have a look at the feature we all probably gonna use the most. Let's start with basic trading. So this is our standard spot market. You can see different cryptocurrencies on the left. There's the chart in the middle and also buy and sell orders on the right. You can search for any crypto you want from here. So for example, let's have a look at Ethereum. As you can see, when I type down Ethereum, we can see Ethereum, its current price and its 24-hour change. But first, let's learn how to use spot market, how to buy or how to sell. So I will give you examples to explain this, and I will use Ethereum as our crypto. So after choosing the crypto that you want to buy or sell, just head down to this section. Now you can see there are 3 different options for us. The first one is limit, the second one is market, and the third one is stop. Limit is setting a price to buy or sell, and if the price hits that point, your position will be filled and you'll buy at the price you set. So for example, the current price is $1,655, but I don't want to buy at that price. I think the Ethereum price will go down a little and I want to set a limit to buy at $1,600. So when you do this and click on buy Ethereum, it will open up a position for you to buy Ethereum at $1,600. You can also set the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy 10 Ethereums. I will say 10 and it will show me how much that equals to in terms of dollars, USDT. This was the first option. This was the limit. Market is the quickest way to buy because it just buys from the current price. So when I click on market, as you can see, it doesn't give us the options that limit gave us. It asks us the amount and total and the price. The market just buys from the current price and you just have to type down how much you want to buy. So for example, if I say 5,000 USDT, it will buy me $5,000 worth of Ethereum at this moment, at the current price. Now, I don't recommend using market buys or sells because of the delays and pings. Sometimes it buys at a higher price or sells at a lower price than you see here because of the pings and internet problems. Even if you are using the fastest internet, the market is still a risky way to buy or sell. So I definitely recommend you using a limit. And lastly, we have stop limit. Stop limit is based on a trigger system. You set a trigger price. For example, let's say I bought 2 Ethereums, but the market is volatile and I don't want to risk my money. And you can't possibly track the market 24 hours. So I say if the price falls to, remember let's say we bought our Ethereums at the current price. And let's say there's a important resistance at $1,500. If it breaks down from that level, that means it's gonna go down even worse. So I want to sell all my Ethereums if the price hits $1,500. So we set the trigger price for $1,500. After that, we have to set the price that we want to sell. So if I say $1,450, this means if the price goes down $1,500, it will open up a position for me to sell all my Ethereum at $1,450. And you can also sell parts of your Ethereum. You don't have to sell all of your Ethereum. Let's say you want to sell half of it. So click on this. As you can see, it gives us 50%. So you can just sell 50% or the percent that you decide to sell. This is how the stop market works. As I said, the system works on a trigger-based mechanism. And stop limit is really useful when the market is volatile at the times like this. Using stop limit is definitely a lifesaver if you think market is too volatile for you to jump in. You can jump in, you can start investing, but always use your stop limit if the market is volatile. So we learned how to buy and sell and other aspects of spot market. Now let's have a look at margin trading. You might have also heard it as futures or leverage trading. Let's click on margin trading. Now let's have a look at future. Futures basically means leveraged transactions. And what makes futures so special is you can make money even when the market falls. This is impossible on the spot market, but futures has some dangers and you should be very careful. I think there's no better way to explain futures with an example. So let's say I think Ethereum price will go up and I have $100 in my account. By the way, in order to open a position, you should transfer your assets from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. You can do this by simply clicking on this blue arrows. It will open up the screen and you can transfer your assets from your spot wallet to your futures wallet, or you can see all the accounts. Now let's continue with our example. First, I have to decide which leverage to use. This part is totally up to you. I don't recommend using more than 10x leverage. Now for this example, let's say I use 3x, which means 3x leverage. You can basically think this as if I tripled my my $100. You can set the leverage from here. When you click on it, as you can see, we can set the leverage. The maximum one is 125x. You can also set up a custom leverage. So for example, I want to say 5.6x leverage. As I said, this part is totally up to you. I will use 3x for our example. Now let's click on confirm. So remember, I had $100 in my account and I will open up a position of 3x leverage. I said you can think as if I tripled my $100. This means if the price goes up 10%, I will make $30. But if it would be on the spot market, I would have made $10 because I had $100. I'm sure you get the idea. This might sound a fast way to get rich, but let's also talk about why is it dangerous. On spot market, if Ethereum price goes down 10%, that means now I have lost $10, which means I have now $90 worth of Ethereum. But remember, we opened up a 3x long position. Long position means you're betting on that the price is going to go up, and the short position means you're betting on the price to go down. But on futures, if the price goes down 10% after I open up my 3x long position, that means now I have $70 worth of Ethereum and I lost $30. Now, if this would be on spot market, I would have only lost $10 because the price went down $10. So this is the main risk of futures. And if it goes down more than 33%, I will get liquidated, which means I will lose my $100 and it will be gone. There's no coming back from it after you get liquidated. On spot market, you just lose money for a limited time, and then when the prices start going up, you will make that money again. But on futures, if you get liquidated, your money is gone. And as I said, there's no coming back. And you can also the limit, market, and stop futures that I talked about on the spot market section on futures as well. When you open up orders, you can see your opened orders from here. You can see your order history, your assets, and also trading bots. And that concludes the futures tutorial. As I said, you can also use trading bot and block trading. Under Growth tab, there are different options such as savings, staking, stablecoins, fixed income, dual investment, flash deals, DeFi, and Ethereum 2.0. Let's have a look at savings. So let's click on what is savings and learn about it. Savings is our value-added product for flexible returns. Earn hourly interest by depositing assets to fund OKX margin loans. Subscription and redemption are supported 24/7. We can also see the benefits. Low risks. We protect your assets and savings with strict risk control, industry-leading security measures and infrastructure. Also flexible term. We support 24/7 subscription and redemption. Your redeemed assets should arrive in your account immediately. You can learn how it works, when will I start earning, how do I subscribe and redeem, and so many more. And now let's have a look at staking. As you can see, OKX created a beautiful website for us to understand what each term means. You can read and learn about each term by simply clicking on this what is part. When you click on it, it simply explains you what that term is, what does that do, and how you can make profit by using this feature. If you want to learn more, you can just click on each one and read about it to learn more. Now let's have a look at Jumpstart. Jumpstart is basically a launchpad. Jumpstart offers OKX users easy access to new, high-quality crypto projects. You can invest in new crypto now with OKX. You can see the previous projects, and when a project is on sale, you can see it says on sale. There are other ones on mining part. You can see the highest historical yield and total rewards of each project. Build has actually nothing to do with buying or selling crypto. It basically is a section for developers to learn more about OKX. You can see developers GitHub section, API docs, developer docs, testnet, faucet, subgraph, and Oracle, and so many more. Under More tab, there are some rewards for new users. Let's click on rewards. You can collect 100 Satoshi for completing each of these tasks. And also Satoshi means 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. You can see your assets, deposit, withdraw, transfer, or use all these features under Assets tab. You can see your email, your UID here. You can also see your overview. And I also suggest you to take these security steps in order to increase your account security level. Set up your mobile verification, set up an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator. That's what people mostly use to authenticate. Definitely use anti-phishing code and two-factor authentication. And I don't think I need to say this, but definitely set up a strong password. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page from the links in the description box below. We share breaking news, news, really funny crypto memes, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. So definitely check out our Instagram along with our other social medias from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.